It's been fun watching North Star Elementary get built from the ground up. Since the size of this school is over 100,000 square feet, I felt it was easiest to hop on a drone to show you the different areas of the school. First, I'm going to put on my helmet to be safe, to begin our adventure together. Whew! Now we're ready to begin! More than 2 years ago, a group of people came together to think of a school design that embraced the blend of Hugo's urban and rural features, its surrounding natural beauty, civic opportunities, while creating a comfortable home atmosphere for learning. The final design is quite remarkable and includes 6 separate learning studios, each with 5 classrooms, a learning commons with media resources, new gymnasium, special education and intervention sensory spaces, outdoor learning classrooms, and more. Let's watch the drone take us further into the school. The students' dining experience will include plenty of natural light along with round, oval, and paired seating options. The Learning Commons, also known as the Media Center, is intentionally located in the middle of the school. This area includes flexible soft seating, a performance stage, small breakout learning spaces, and a literature collection of nearly 10,000 titles. The design and color of this space, from floor to ceiling, accents the natural beauty of the school's surroundings. Now let's take a look at one of 3 learning studios located on the main level. Again, each studio has 5 theme-based classrooms to be used for a variety of learning opportunities, such as enhanced interactive collaboration, a lab for engaging STEM and art activities, the use of innovative technology, along with a more secluded working space for reading and writing activities. Included in each studio is additional flex space along with multiple small group breakout rooms. Another unique feature is that each studio will have its own designated mudroom along with a series of privacy bathrooms. Now we will make our way to the second floor where it's home to 3 additional learning studios. The grade level configuration for the North Star 6 studios include a studio for kindergarten, 2 multi-age grades 1-2 studios, 2 multi-age grades 3-4 studios, and 1 grade 5 studio. This setup will allow each student to be supported by a team of teaching professionals in addition to their assigned home-based teacher. The balcony on the second floor allows for additional small group breakout spaces and a bird's eye view of the Learning Commons. Wasn't that amazing? Thanks for doing a virtual walkthrough of North Star with me. I can't wait to welcome you in person soon. The families and students attending North Star this fall will get a first peek at the building at an open house that is happening from 3 to 6 p.m. on Tuesday, August 23rd. Then a community-wide open house will take place from 3 to 6 p.m. on Thursday, August 25th. We are excited for everyone to check out the district's new elementary school. See you soon!